Hi guys, welcome to RK IT Help Desk. In this session, we are going to learn about how to use OneDrive on desktop and laptop. If you are watching videos first time on my channel, please do subscribe and hit bell icon so you will get the latest uploaded videos notification. Okay, we'll start the session now. Open your any browser and open office.com. Office.com. I will go with switch user. I want to use rameshk@rkithelpdesk.com. It is asking to use multi-factor authentication. I will go with skip now. Okay. Okay. And uh, OneDrive is not showing here. Just go to apps. Huh. Here is a OneDrive icon. Just open it. Skip for now. Yes. Our OneDrive is ready. Just click on it. See, this is our online OneDrive. So we can create a files here and upload the files. Keep our data here. Just click on new. We can create a new folder, new files. I will create one folder here. Ramesh data. Ramesh data. And open up folder. And I will create one file here. Excel workbook. And serial number. Student's name. Okay. Ramesh. Okay, we have created a folder and we have created one folder, and inside the folder we created one file, and this is we worked on, and this is online now. Okay, now we are going to sync this OneDrive to our local OneDrive app. If you check in OneDrive, this is my personal OneDrive. Apart from that, we don't have any OneDrive option here. For configure OneDrive app, just click on sync option on your online OneDrive and click on always open and click on sign in. This is my email ID and we have to confirm the password here. Sign in. Skip for now. Just allow my organization to manage my device. Become okay. It is setup. It is doing setup our OneDrive to our local app. Okay. Configuration is going on. We'll skip for now. Setup is done. You are all set. Click on done. We have to select our OneDrive folder. So it is in users mesh OneDrive RK folder. OneDrive RK Just click on next. If you want to change your path, you can change it. I will select default path. Just click on next. So just click on next. Click on next. If you want to configure it on mobile, I will configure it later. So just click on later. Open my OneDrive. See, our OneDrive is open. Here it is. This is my personal, and this one is just we configured. Okay. This is my personal drive. This is we just configured which one with RK domain, and we have created this folder and uh, file on online OneDrive, and we got it here. If you create if you create any files here, you will get it online also. Just try it once. Not folder. Just delete it. Go back and I will create one more folder here. RK data, RKIT. Okay. See, it is showing a right mark, means it is updated to our online OneDrive. Let's check. Is it updated? So just replace once. See, it is updated. One more thing, if we go back on our OneDrive app, why here showing a OneDrive logo? Because once you open this file, it will download to local. For that, it will show as a right mark. Just open it. See, workbook. Why it is edit read only? Because we have opened here Excel. Just close this Excel here, then reopen it. Edit workbook. Can update anything here. Which to Rajesh, and close it. Save. See, here right mark is came here, means it is updated to both side, online and offline. If we go back in folder, both folder is updated successfully. Okay, created folders or kept any files here, everything will be updated to your own drive. So let's copy one file here. I will copy my resume. I'll keep in RKIT. Let's see what will happen once we copy the full file here. It is syncing. We go back, it is showing syncing option. This is a sign of syncing. If you go this there, see, this processing changes. Okay, once this syncing done, it will came here. See, it is updating, uploading. See, upload is done. Whatever file you upload here and create here, we can see here a sync status. If any file failed to sync here, we can find out here what is the reason of fail of uploading files. Okay, in this session we learn about how to use OneDrive on desktop and laptop apps. Okay, hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe RK at Help Desk. Thank you for watching.